Do you want to compare in Urdu? Have you ever wondered how to say this year is better than the last, her dress is prettier than mine, or Ali is taller than Michael, she's more smarter than the others? We want to compare two things or two people. This is called comparatives. Today I'm going to teach you how to make comparative sentences in Urdu. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sara, and on this channel I produce Urdu language videos, mostly grammar videos, but I also teach Urdu through Bollywood, ghazals, adab, stories, Pakistani drama serials, etc. If you want to learn, you can watch these playlists, and if you want to have a private lesson, you can contact me on these websites. So let's take this sentence. Ali is taller than Michael. So we'll divide it into some parts. So then Michael. So then in Urdu is a postposition which is say. Michael is a noun. So remember, the prepositions in Urdu become postpositions, so they come after the noun. So Michael say means then Michael. Michael say is then Michael. So remember this. So Ali is taller than Michael. So then the other question is, what is tall? Tall is lamba. It's specifically lamba because here the comparison is between two men. The person we're comparing is also a man. Ali and Michael both are men. So that's why it's lamba. Otherwise, it could be lambi as well. But here, because the subject and the object both are masculine, therefore it's lamba. So Ali is going to come first. It's a subject. So Ali, Michael say, then Michael, lamba hai. Isn't that easy? Ali, Michael say, lamba hai. Ali is taller than Michael. So Ali, Michael say, lamba hai. It's easy now, it's straightforward, right? Let's take some more sentences. Maryam is smarter than Maham. Maryam is smarter than Maham. Now, then Maham is Maham se. Maryam, Maham se. What is smart? It's aqalmand. Aqalmand is intelligent. Aqal is intellect. Maryam Maham se aqalmand hai. Maryam Maham se aqalmand hai. Maryam Maham se aqalmand hai. Maryam is smarter than Maham. So Maryam is the one who is getting that quality. Okay, so ready for the next sentence? This year is harder than the last year. Than the last year. Last year is pichle saal. Pichle saal is last year. Then is se. So pichle saal se. Pichle saal se is then last year. This year, this is ye. It's a demonstrative pronoun. Ye saal, this year. Ye saal, this year. Pichle saal se. Pichle saal se. Ye saal, pichle saal se mushkil hai. The mushkil goes to the first subject. So this year is harder. Ye saal pichle saal se mushkil hai. Ye saal pichle saal se mushkil hai. This year is harder than the last year. Ye saal pichle saal se mushkil hai. Ye saal pichle saal se mushkil hai. This year is harder than last year. Now let's take another sentence. Tez. Tez is like clever, cunning, it can be intelligent as well. Tez is a very, very important adjective in Urdu. In fact, it's really important. I'll create another video about it. It indicates like a, intensity sometimes. Tez dhoop, tez ladki. So many different meanings. I don't want to confuse you right now, but let's just focus on this. So tez is an adjective, which is, let's say it's smarter. So she is smarter than us or clever than us. She is wo than us. Us is hum, like a hummingbird. Humse than us. वो हमसे तेज है. वो हमसे तेज है. वो हमसे तेज है. She is cleverer than us. वो हमसे तेज है. वो हमसे तेज है. Let's take another sentence. Let's talk about a book. So this book is better than some other books. So we're making comparison according to the context. I had to get my props out. So this book, ये किताब इस किताब से बेहतर है. So ये किताब इस किताब से बेहतर है. ये किताब इस किताब से बेहतर है. So this book, ये किताब इस किताब से बेहतर है. So this book is better than this one. So ये किताब बेहतर है. Take another example. London is better, let's say, than Manchester. London Manchester से बेहतर है. London Manchester से बेहतर है. London Manchester से बेहतर है. London is better than Manchester. बेहतर. Do you have any question? Have you learned anything from this video? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you want a PDF transcript of all these videos, you can subscribe to become a patron. What you can do is you can become a patron and let me know which video needs transcript and PDF. Then I'll send it to you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.